Hi Year 7s, Miss English here and Mr Lupton. We just wanted to welcome you all back to school, be it is virtually and not the way that we predicted. But we've just put together just sort of a little short assembly PowerPoint just to talk through how the next couple of weeks are going to work for you and what you need to do if you've got any questions.
Yeah, hi Year 7. Hope you had a good break. Let's just quickly go through some really important information. So all of your lessons up until Friday the 15th of January, so that's 2 weeks, are going to be online. So that means you need to get onto your Show My Homework account as soon as possible because there is work from today that's being uploaded, okay? So to log in, you need to follow these really important steps if you can't remember how to log in. So you need to go to the school website and select the Show My Homework icon, or you can open the app. You can search for Show My Homework on Google as well. And then the really important thing to do is to select sign in with Office 365. So if you try and search for the school or anything like that, it won't work. Or if you try and type in your details, it won't work. You have to sign in with Office 365. So make sure you do that. Make sure that you put your username in that is the same as the one at school. So you put your username and then you follow it up with at theforestacademy.co.uk. So make sure you're doing that. And your password is the same one that you use at school. So make sure you use the same details that you have at school in Show My Homework as well, and then it will work for you.
Okay, if you've got any issues at all, it is really, really important that you do contact us today or tomorrow at the very sort of latest. You need to email us at admin@theforestacademy.co.uk. You need to tell us what the problem is, and then we'll be able to get that sorted straight away. It's really important that you do that in the next few days so that you are ready to go with your live lessons. If you do have any issues with access to a laptop or access to internet connection at home, then again, please do email us on that above email address. Let us know, and we will be able to issue you with something that can help you over the next few weeks. So please don't just not do anything. Contact us, and we'll get it sorted for you.
Yeah, so the key thing is that you are engaging with your lessons, Year 7. So do get in touch with us as soon as possible if there's a problem. So you need to make sure you follow your timetable for this week. This week is week 2. Next week is week 1. And you have a mixture of pre-recorded lessons and live lessons. Okay, so some of your lessons are going to be live, where your teacher will actually deliver it to you live, and others will be pre-recorded by your teacher. So, what you need to do is make sure you're following your timetable when you're doing your work at the specific time that you actually have your lesson. In your pre-recorded lessons, if you don't understand something, make sure you comment on the correct lesson in Show My Homework, and your teacher will respond to you to help you. Okay. And if there's work that needs to be submitted for that lesson, you must upload it via Show My Homework straight after the lesson as well, okay? Your teacher is going to be taking a register for every lesson, so make sure your work's being submitted because you are still at school, it's just you are doing it from home.
Okay, final couple of things. Either today or tomorrow, please do expect a call from your form tutor or from myself or Mr. Lupton. We're just giving you a quick call to check that everything is okay, to check that you know what you're doing, and to check that you've got any support. So we do look forward to speaking to all of you over the next few days. Your live lessons, which Mr. Lupton's already said, some will be live, some will be pre-recorded. They will start from tomorrow at 9 o'clock. It is Tuesday, period 1, and it is week 2. So whatever lesson you have got then is the lesson that you need to log on and you need to look for. And as we said, some will be pre-recorded, some will be live. Again, myself and Mr. Lupton will be doing a weekly assembly catch-up just to check that everything's okay and to share anything new that may have come out over the week. We really do look forward to welcoming you back into school soon, and obviously as safely as possible as we can. And please do take care over the next couple of weeks. Thanks, guys.